What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I did this marble design today with the Coscelia Polygel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. So we're just going to hop right in and start off with the base coat. I hate waiting long for videos to start, so I'm gonna start. And if you're doing this process, keep in mind I have already buffed them and filed them before I started the base coat. I just couldn't get it on camera because of technical difficulties, unfortunately. And before I do anything, I'm just gonna cure them with the LED lamp. I got this new one, but it still sucks. So eventually I'm just gonna have to get a professional one because it takes absolutely way too long. And I'm gonna set up the slip solution. And we're gonna use this Coscelia brush to spread the polygel. We're gonna start off with number 4, which was a nudish burgundy. This was a new color I got in my new set. And the 6, which is the white. Now you can use this brush this way to scoop the polygel, or you could just put the polygel into the little dual nail. I found that a lot easier. And you'll see me wiping the brush onto the towel to wipe off the excess polygel because it really ruins the brush. My last brush was ruined. And at first I thought I wanted to make one of my nails a French nail, but in the midst of it I just changed my mind. And I whipped out my little dotting tool and I started making circles in the nail to mix the colors. And then I'm gonna place the dual nail onto my nail, but make sure to leave room between the nail and the cuticle so that you have room to move around. And then I'm just gonna clean up the bits on the sides. And I'm gonna apply a little pressure before I cure it. These lights literally take forever. Please help me. And we're just gonna repeat the same steps, adding the colors, smoothing them out, or spreading them rather. And I kind of still wanted them all to still look unique in a way, but still marbled. So I did them different ways. And then I go in with my dotting tool and I mess them up. Always remember to leave that space in between the cuticle and the dual nail so you can move around. Like so. And cure. Same steps, different nail. Okay, so we're gonna skip the other nails. And this is what they look like after they're all done curing. And I went ahead and did the other hand to save us both some time. You're welcome. And guess what? Your girl went and bought a drill. Hey! So we're gonna drill these babies into nail forms because it does get like that ball of polygel just underneath the nail. It dries that way with that ball. But now we're gonna fix all that, and I'm just making sure I'm giving it that depth of a real nail. And now I'm just gonna go and file off the unnecessary bits off of the top and near the cuticle area. By the way, anything I use, I will list it below so you can check it out, and if you want to purchase, and go ahead and get it for yourself. And as you can see, I'm really getting in there, which I love about the drill. I can really get in there and clean it up, make it look like a real, like, salon did my nail. The drill bit did unfortunately keep just rising. I had to keep pushing it back in. Okay, now I'm just gonna file them into the shape that I want them to be in, and I'm gonna buff them and clip off those jagged edges. And unfortunately, while I was recording, my camera was slowly just falling, and I didn't realize, so I didn't really get the applying of the top coat on camera. But as you can see, I buffed them and I applied the top coat, and this is the turnout. Sorry about that. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.